Welcome back to the channel. In in the previous video, we looked at cycloids, yes, and in today's video, we'll be looking at the development of a cylinder that's cut at an angle. All right. So the first thing we're gonna draw is a front elevation for the cylinder. Okay. So there, there, and this should be 95. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna go up this height. All right. And so what this is this is a cylinder that's cut at an angle. All right. So that's the front elevation. All right. We're gonna draw the plan now. What shape would the plan be for a cylinder? Can you guess? It'd be a circle. Okay. So we're gonna draw a line here coming down. Enter. All right. We're gonna draw a circle. All right. 47.5. Enter. All right, there's our plan for our cylinder. Good. All right. Now, the next step is to divide the plan into 12 equal parts. Okay. All right. So we remove the parts of the line which was extended beyond the circle. It's not needed. Um, We just want our drawing to look clean. If I was using a T-square with a T-square and set square and pencil, it would stay because it would be a construction line, okay? But in our AutoCAD, we want to keep it clean, all right? Good. All right, so we have divided our plan into 12 equal parts, okay? All right, the next step is to draw construction lines from the plan going up to the front elevation. So we go there. All right, so we're gonna come here. No. All right, go. All right, so we'll go again. There, there, enter, there, enter, there, enter, enter. All right, so now we have projected the points in the from the circumference of the circle to the front elevation, right? Good. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna calculate the circumference of the circle. Now, this morning I made a video, or yesterday, I think it's this morning, I made a video showing you how you could calculate or find, because we didn't use a calculator, how we could find the circumference of a circle. So maybe you could revisit that video to see what would be the circumference, right? All right. So go line, enter. All right. right? So we're gonna go line from the top point where the line intersects. Enter. I'm gonna go line. No. Undo. All right, so we're gonna go line. All right, so here we have the lines being projected over from the cut. All right, so what we have done, we have divided the baseline, the circumference, into 12 equal parts as shown on in the diagram. All right, the next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw lines from these division on the baseline going up. Construction going up to the top, yes. I'll repeat the process. There. I'm gonna go from 7, from 7, then 6, yes, then 5, because I actually started at the opposite end. That is why I'm not counting from 1 going up and in ascending order, yes. So go line again from this one going up. Go line again from this point going up. Go line again from this point going up. Go line again. Yes, so we're at number 2, division 2. Then we're going to go division 1. Yes. And then we're going to finish the last one. If you had started numbering it at 0, this would be 0, right? So we have drawn all of them from 1 to 12. Good. Now, I'm just going to clean up the drawing. It has some excess lines. I'm going to clean up the drawing. We want our drawings to be clean and sharp, all right? All right, here is our construction, yes, of the development. We're going to complete the development now to show the cut section and the development, all right? So we're going to plot the points. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Enter, and that is a development for the cylinder, which is cut at an angle. All right, good job if you were able to complete the drawing. And let us. Okay, so here is the development, and it also shows the front elevation and plan for a cylinder, which is cut at an angle, right? So this drawing now brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know your thoughts. All right. Um, so in the next video, we will look at a drawing showing a hyperbola. Good. So in the next drawing, we'll be drawing a hyperbola. We did the parabola before. Did you watch that video? How was the video? All right. So bye.